Welcome to new video. I teach you how you can change the profile photo that we have on Facebook with you in appearing in the news section. First, once we are on Facebook here, we are going to go on icon and we select our name again and profile. Here, and the next thing we must do is press in the little camera here and press choose a profile picture. Okay, select a new photo with this, and you must press here share you update to news feed. Here we have the option to crop, and what you must do is that not be published in the news section. So deactivate this little blue button that you can see, and we are going to go to where it says have. We are going to accept and solve here and uploading your photo profile. It is updated and we see that our profile photo has been changed. Continue. It has been changed and that is not published in our sections. We can see here. Hang on a second. And this is all, guys. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe.